Hello guys, welcome back to Ylan app. For today's video, we're going to show you Adsterra affiliate program tutorial. So we'll be giving you a beginner's guide on how to sign up here and just a few things in Adsterra. So in this case, what is Adsterra? Well, Adsterra is a platform for both publishers and advertisers. So it actually allows advertisers and publishers to connect with each other and make meaningful connections to both basically improve or grow their businesses or their team. Now, in this case, for us to actually utilize the affiliate program for Adsterra here, what we need to do first is we need to visit their website. So it's going to be adsterra.com, and you should be able to see the home page here. Now, in this case, in their website, there's going to be a lot here. Like, for example, if you want to view advertisers here, you can go and hover advertisers, and you should be able to see the following options here. Even for publishers here, you should be able to see the following option here. Now, also under publishers, they have the referral program here, the benefits for publishers, Adsterra API, and a lot more. But in this case, since we want to sign up to their affiliate program, we need to go to the CPA network here, and it should redirect you to the CPA affiliate network. So in this page, it's going to give you an option to join the Adsterra CPA affiliate network. Now, in this case, there's going to be some information to give you here. Like, for example, with Adsterra CPA, you get the success of selected quality offers, high and fast payouts, unique direct offers, and a lot more. So they also have the following payment methods here that is available, which includes PayPal, Wire, and Paxum. Now, they also have the verticals that work best with Adsterra traffic. So that includes VPN, antivirus, utility. If you want to explore their features, you can go ahead and do that. And if you want to learn more about the CPA network here, you could go ahead and read their FAQ and their About section here as well. But in this case, since we want to sign up, just go to the very top here, click on register now, and it should redirect you to the sign up page for the affiliate program in Adsterra. In this case, it's going to be affiliates or beta.affiliates at adsterra.com, sign up. Now, in this case, it's going to say sign up as an affiliate. So if you're not affiliate, choose this one. But we are targeting to be an affiliate here. So in this case, you have the terms and conditions and privacy policy here. They would request you to agree and accept their terms and privacy policies. So I would highly suggest you to read into their following terms and conditions and privacy policy. Well, like with any platform, because you through reading them, you'll be able to know what is allowed and not allowed within the platform itself. But for now, let's just click on the check box here and just click on go to form. And from here, it's going to redirect us to another page wherein we need to fill out the application form for Adsterra. So it's going to be a Docs, Google Docs here. Now, in this case, it's going to request you to answer all the following information. So that includes your email here, the name of the company, the payment method that you want to use here, the messenger details here, and which traffic types you want to monetize with Adsterra CPA network. Now, in this case, you have the following: web traffic, social, in-app. So for example, if you're an influencer, you might want to choose the social here and make sure that you provide any details that it actually requires regarding your account. So if it's for Facebook or Instagram, go ahead and provide those details. Now, in this case, you have the name, your 3 latest best performing offers or GAOs here. So just be honest with this one, because we don't want to provide invalid details or wrong details about yourself. And also, you have the please provide screenshots of your tracker impressions volume for the last 30 days. So this may be a picture or a PDF file. You can go ahead and upload your file here by clicking on add file. Now, also have the please provide screenshots of your other affiliate programs you work with the last 30 days. So if you're within the CJ, like for example, a similar platform is CJ here. So if you're working in the platform itself, or if you're affiliate or having a paid program signed up in CJ, make sure that you mention it here as well. Now, in this case, what we need to do is just fill out all the desired details here. Make sure that you include your email address here. And yeah, so in this case, make sure that you provide the correct information here, as well as all the required information, because in this case, being truthful to your application here and having an impressive profile actually increase your chances of being accepted into the application for Adsterra here. Now, in this case, let's just fill out all the desired details here. And once you fill out all those details, just click on submit, and from then they will actually reach out to you once if you're actually accepted into the program itself. So there's a whole screening process for this one. It's not immediate. You might take weeks or even months or just a few days depending on how the process they have right now. But yeah, so that's how you sign up into Adsterra, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yellow App. Thank you for watching.